In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags in Elementor. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to elementor.com. You have two options. You can either click on this Get Started in order to create an account, or click on this Login option right here in order to log in into the account that you already have. Now, once you're done with this, you can head over to WordPress and do the same thing. You can either log in or get started. In my case, I already have an account on both, so let me head over and just click on this login. Now in here, you can see my Elementor website that I am currently editing using WordPress Elementor. So into this, in order to add meta tags, you just need to click onto the actual head right here, or you can also head over right there and click onto this SEO option. Make sure as well that you have Rank Math or Use SEO enabled or installed under the plugins of your WordPress. So in this, you can see this. We have in here the general options, basic SEO, and the likes. You can input right here the focus keyword which serves as your meta tag. So for example, right here, let's input right here allure. Let's also input pink, cute, and input right here everything that you want. So I'll just input right here this. So once you have inputted right here the tags that you would want and keywords, they should be able to be added right there. You can also click on this edit snippet option and edit in here the title as well as the permalink as well as your description. You can also head over right here to your social and order to change what your social would look like. We can add image, titles, generates, and add an icon overlay. Alternatively, you can also head over and click onto this icon right here that shows their advanced. We have in here the meta, we have index. So make sure that this one is enabled in order to add your meta tags. And we also can head over right here to the schema. You can actually use the schema generator through this part as well. So that's how you add meta tags in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.